Hey guys, this is Typhorce Games, and I'm back to your reaction to Death Battle, Black Canary versus Sindel. And it's only like 16 minutes long, so I guess it's not gonna. Yeah, I figured this wouldn't be a really long episode, but yeah. As for who I think is gonna win, Black Canary. Like, to me, there's little doubt in my mind. Maybe Sindel has something that I just don't know about, and that'll give her the win. But I always have that little shred of doubt even when I seem like completely assured I know who's gonna win, because I've been wrong before. So yeah, Black Canary, simply because she has a longer history. She's got more stuff to draw from than Sindel does. Yeah, Sindel's got a long history too. Like, there's a lot of Mortal Kombat stuff out there, but not nearly. But Black Canary's a DC Comics. So yeah. But yeah. Anyway, let's just That's pretty much all my thoughts on it. So but I still don't really care who would win, who's gonna win. But at the same time, it feels better to like predict the stuff. So yeah, we'll just start the video in 3, 2, 1, play.
RTX is inspiring.
Inexperienced.
Oh yeah, RTX. I've never been to one of these kinds of conventions before. I mean, I went to Comic-Con when it was nearby once, but at the same time I didn't like sit down and listen to a cat podcast or whatever those things or whatever those things are called.
It's a trope we're all familiar with. The damsel in distress crying for help. Yeah, Wiz, don't think that's the case here, because these two are the opposite.
I will never get over these new character designs. I will vastly prefer the original. Alright.
The literal scream queen from Mortal Kombat. He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick.
And it's our job to analyze her weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win a death battle. Oh yeah, Sindel's got a lot of hair that she could use as a weapon too, so...
The first recorded team of superheroes in the DC universe.
Where else could you find a boxer in a catsuit chilling
Yeah.
the spirit of God's divine
Oh yeah,
wrath?
Spectre.
And among these men and gods stood a woman, the judo-chopping Black Canary.
Wait,
No.
why a canary? Canaries don't know judo? Or do they?
However, this is not the Black Canary
Right, we're looking at
today.
Dinah.
See, the Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance.
Dinah Laurel
Dinah wanted
Lance,
to
yeah.
be a crime fighter just like her mom, so she trained with Wildcat.
A PE teacher.
The furry boxer
Okay.
I mentioned earlier.
Her mother
Harmonica,
wasn't
of
very
course.
happy.
Singing
Young
for a
Dinah's
band.
career could have ended then and there, if not for the discovery of what she likes to call her canary cry.
Yep. She's a bit of a meta-human.
Not ordinary, but well explained. See, Dinah possessed the meta gene, a dormant slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity, granting superhuman abilities.
Yeah, Wizard did it. With her new power,
Yeah.
martial arts
A
training,
wizard
Dinah
did it.
took up her mother's mantle and became Black Canary, the second one. Is it weird that her mom was also named Dinah? They're really forming a dynasty.
Fun fact, originally
Dang
she
it.
disguised herself by donning a blonde wig, but eventually just dyed it permanently.
Blonde?
Yeah.
Don't you mean yellow?
Regardless,
Okay.
Canary cry is no joke. By emitting focused ultrasonic sound, Dinah can annihilate the eardrums of anyone nearby.
Or just ramp up the volume and blow people away with
Oh,
shockwaves.
yeah.
She can even stop a runaway train.
It's
It's
crazy.
versatile, too. She can focus her cries into small sonic projectiles or broaden them to affect entire cities.
And by screaming hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the hell does that shit work?
Let's dig into this for a bit. For a sound wave
Okay.
to become a shockwave, it must possess
Oh.
an intensity of at least 194 decibels. For
Mythbusters.
reference, Black
Okay.
Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
Oh,
That's
wow.
the same level of bulls as a volcano erupting.
All
Oh.
that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to...
Right,
produce
yeah.
That's why she's got some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her.
Not to say she's
Okay.
useless without her superpower, of course.
She's one of comics' greatest ass kickers.
Thanks
Right,
to Wildcat
she's
and her mother,
expert
Dinah has
martial
trained in
artist.
Jiu-jitsu, karate, Krav
Yeah,
Maga,
all of
capoeira,
this.
and many more styles of martial arts. She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and even how to cause instant death by pushing a single nerve cluster.
Oh, wow.
He's basically the furious, blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro and the bride from Kill Bill. Also, before we go on, all this kung fu talk makes me want to see a judo Canary in action. And what better opponent than our very own Mecha Goose Howard?
Oh, no.
Did you teach it, judo?
So, turns out they don't know judo. Where was the heads up on that one, Wiz?
Even with all that,
Okay.
Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her uncanny ability to learn
Yeah,
and
she
adapt
does Superman's
to fight.
inner con-
It's
wow.
what makes her such a great sparring partner to superhuman martial arts masters like Wonder Woman. It was during a fight with her, in fact, that Black Canary claimed she could perceive time down to the nanosecond.
Sounds crazy, right? But believe it, how else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman?
Right, I know.
All the time she battled these red tornado androids, Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses. But Dinah said, F that, and stabbed it hundreds of times super fast.
Oh.
He found his literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning.
That's right, she outsped an alien supercomputer. Keep in mind,
Okay.
Dinah does not technically possess superhuman speed or strength.
But I wouldn't be surprised if she secretly drank some super soldier serum at some point, because she can muzzle superhumans and smash steel like it's flimsy wood.
Given the yield strength of steel and the size of her elbow, Dinah must have exerted a force of around 27 tons.
Yikes.
Hell survived a fall into the ocean from 1,000 feet, and even
But then again, like, Mortal Kombat characters can shatter titanium and diamonds, so who knows if... So.
Can't say the same for this robot dude, Amazo. For a murder-happy
Amazo.
combined powers of the entire Justice League.
Right.
Sure could have packed some aspirin.
She may be stubborn and hot-headed, but with her powers and training fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with. She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice League, the spiritual successor to the original Justice Society.
Next to her main man, Green Arrow.
Yeah.
They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver, if you know what I mean. They did exactly.
Long story short,
of course.
Black Canary is without a doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history.
Oh, yeah. She's really cool. She's a bit... Yeah, she's a bit underrated. Like, I know she's got a lot more attention in recent years, but she's still very underrated.
You said that like it was supposed to be clever.
Under the rule of King Jared and Queen Sindel, the realm prospered for millennia, until the arrival of Outworld Conqueror
And Shao Kahn.
and the
Oh
tournament
boy.
of Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat!
By decree of the Elder Gods, an invading force from another realm must defeat the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death.
Yep.
Unfortunately for Adenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and won Adenia for himself.
To
Yeah.
legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared, married Sindel, and adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive? Probably.
A bit, but it's Shao Kahn.
He wasn't too happy about all that. But it turns out she was a kung fu sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm. And it worked.
For a time, after 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective war. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
She was back and ready to slap.
Yeah.
And holy shit, did she?
Yeah.
Sindel's Edenian physiology gives
Yeah,
her superhuman
she
strength
pretty much
and
murdered
ability,
most of the
allowing
Mortal
her to
Kombat
make
cast in
Mortal Kombat's
MK,
regular
like 11, I think. No, wait, no, MK9, sorry.
And despite being dead for the past 10,000 years, she's somehow a master of two forms of Chinese Kung Fu. Jiaquan originates from northern China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Pai, also known as the Tiger Claw system, focuses on fast, powerful strikes.
Sindel also wields a Quan Do. It's a glaive designed for long-range deflection and carving people up like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Though she hardly needs a weapon when she already has one. Her hair.
Right. You're right, her hair.
To stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz, that's, kinda hot.
Oh, would you still think so if she used it to spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body?
Oh.
Way to go.
Okay. Well, all that
She's like
hails
Bayonetta,
from her
except
signature ability, the
not nearly as powerful, but still Bayonetta.
This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into mystical fireballs of destruction called Star Screamer.
Oh.
Like that transformer that we had that pony eat his soul.
No, Sindel once screamed enough force to annihilate a large part of a canyon. This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0 earthquake, comparable to nearly 500 tons of TNT exploding all at once.
Oh, yikes.
With power like that, it's no wonder she was able to strut through Earthrealm's mightiest heroes, which include our old pal, Sub-Zero. What, I kept it as a souvenir.
Who, along with most of the series combatants, can shatter a block of pure diamond with his bare
Right,
feet.
yeah.
A feat like this would require a pressure of at least 60 gigapascals. That's over 4,300 tons of force per square inch.
And
Huh.
Cabal.
Who was fast enough to swat machine gun fire out of the air.
Oh, right.
like flies in
Cabal.
Simpsons battle.
Accurate.
Judging by the likely muzzle velocity and rate of fire, Cabal must have been reacting within 600ths of a second in order to consistently parry these bullets.
And he blocked a bunch of them back to back to back. Too bad Sindel wound up getting blown up and brainwashed all over again. Man,
Yeah.
This chick can't catch a break, though the zombie
Nah.
MILF thing's kind of working for her.
Well, that's only one possible timeline. In the original story, she
Okay.
was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In another, it seems the killing of her royal husband was actually her plan all along.
Oh.
Either way, we're talking
Huh.
about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually.
Right,
compared to
fair.
the Queen, everyone else might as well have been silent.
Huh. Okay, now that I like know some statistics, like, okay,
All right,
Sindel's
the
actually a
combatants are
lot
set
more
and we
powerful
run
than
the
I gave her
gamut
credit
of all
for.
possibilities.
But
So
first, we'll tell you about
they
him.
like Death Battle always manages to surprise me with how
This episode of Death
good
Battle is
some
sponsored
characters
by
can be.
Hims.
Like,
Hey guys, there's
I
a
have no
company
doubt
out
that
there
Sindel's a
that
lot
helps you
stronger,
every
but now
day.
it's just
Did
questioning
you
in
know
my
that
head
66% of
if
men start to lose their hair by age
if
35?
if she can
I've done
actually
research on
win.
this myself.
Like, I mean,
Well,
if Black Canary can actually like.
terrifying.
If the Cry can like it's like 500 tons of TNT, I think that's what they predicted. That's what they said, and but the Canary Cry can like hits with a force of like an exploding volcano. I'm not sure how that compares, but I think the exploding volcano might be a bit more. But I'm still not sure. So, but yeah, like like Sindel like facing off against people like Sub-Zero and Cabal in canon like proves she can keep up with people like that, like, you know, smashing diamonds and keeping up with machine gun fire. So, but I think Black Canary has the better reaction speed considering she keeps up with Wonder Woman for a death battle. All right, here we go. So I still think Black Canary is gonna win. She just has a strength disadvantage, just a bit, but
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
that is a lot of hair.
Behold your queen! I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
There we go. You should have. I still can't agree with the decision to get rid of Fight. You can't do that. That's just a major staple of this whole series. Oh, yep, X-rays. E.
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Oh boy.
So are ring outs a thing here?
No.
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death!
Alright, come on. If I had to root for somebody, I'm rooting for Black Canary, but...
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me,
Ugh.
can you fly?
Ugh. Oh, here we go. Yep, there we go. Okay. Nice. Oh! Ouch! There we go.
Fatality.
Nice. Yep, that's
Sindel's
pretty much how I
having
expected,
it
yep.
again, or, well, for the first time technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle
Okay.
was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Right, yeah.
She was 160 times stronger.
Right.
But Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even
Right.
stronger than that.
Yeah, that's
Mammoth
fair.
and Giganta, so I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Compared
Right,
to Ball's
that's fair.
timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster. And
Right,
with a wide
yeah.
array of martial arts abilities, she certainly
There's only so much I can say.
Still had
Like,
some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles.
Right,
Plus,
mhm.
she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee
right,
scream
yeah,
or
here,
the
yeah.
Canary
Let's
cry?
see.
We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
I know
Okay.
what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
Yeah, they
Decibels
are.
not like meters or minutes
I
or
remember
scales
I
of
remember
measurement.
studying them at one
Instead,
point.
Decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30
Oh,
decibels
right,
is
right,
10
yeah,
times
yeah.
greater than 20
Yeah,
decibels.
I remember, yeah.
40
It's
is
it's coming back.
greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute, that means the Canary cry would be...
About 1,000,000 times stronger than the Banshee scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
Krakatoa. I'm
Canary
sorry,
had
I
those
couldn't help it.
special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
Okay,
In the
yeah.
end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
Pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner is...
Dang it, boomstick. Alright. Alright, what's next? Alright. Alright, what's next? Oh, is that Leonardo? Or again? Oh. Oh. Leonardo versus Jay. Okay. Alright. We just can't get out of the Mighty Morphin era, can we? You're not gonna do anything else. The White Ranger from Dino Thunder is my... like... Okay, whatever. Okay, that's pretty neat. Leonardo's coming back for his third death battle. Huh. Oh, man, I hope Jason can win. I don't want my childhood to die a fourth time. The third... Well, technically Tommy didn't die in the Green Right in the Dragon Zord versus Mechagodzilla, but still, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles have a much longer history than the Power Rangers. At least I think they do. So, yeah. I hope. I sincerely hope. Like maybe I guess Jason can summon his Zord if he really wanted to. So. But yeah, they're probably not going to include a Zord, but still, I can still imagine. So yeah, that's okay. I'm at least a bit more invested considering it's the original Red Ranger. So yeah, I still want to get out of the freaking Mighty Morphin era. Can we do another era of Power Rangers, please? Death Battle. I get a lot of people don't think there's anything other than Mighty Morphin, but there is. The only reason why Power Rangers RPM isn't my favorite is because Dino Thunder is nostalgically number one, and my nostalgia won't rank it any lower than number one. So yeah. Yeah, there's other series out there, guys. You can check them out. But yeah, I'm done ranting. Okay. Yeah, this battle went pretty much as I expected. Black Canary won. I figured. So there's only so much I can say to that. So yeah. So yeah. That's all I can say. So yeah. Until next time, guys. See ya.